Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to treat ear mites in dogs? Let's explore. Ear mites are tiny parasites that can cause irritation and inflammation in a dog's ears. If your dog has ear mites, you may notice symptoms such as excessive scratching, head shaking, and a dark, crumbly discharge that resembles coffee grounds. Ear mites are highly contagious and can easily spread between pets, so it is important to treat the infection promptly. Treatment for ear mites typically involves cleaning the dog's ears to remove the mites and applying a prescription medication from your vet. The medication is usually applied directly to the ears and may need to be repeated for several weeks to fully eliminate the mites. In some cases, oral medications or injections may also be prescribed. It is important to clean your dog's bedding and environment to prevent reinfestation. Regular vet checkups and ear cleaning can help prevent future ear mite infections. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.